In this video, we have an expert in the technique of Subject to and a driving for dollars and door knocking workshop. Details coming right up. Hi, Chattanooga movers, shakers, and deal makers. Alan here in our very first What's Happening at Chattanooga REIA video. Please excuse the mess. I'm still working on getting my video studio constructed, but I really wanted to make this video because we have a lot of really terrific events that are coming up that you need to know about. Now, I want to let you know that What's Happening at Chattanooga REIA is going to be a weekly show. It's going to be uploaded every Monday. It's going to be about 3 to 5 minutes in length, and it's going to detail what the events are coming up at Chattanooga REIA. Also going to have RSVP links in the video description down below. And also, we are uploading new, rich content to our YouTube channel every week. So please make sure that you subscribe and make sure that you hit the notifications bell to the right of the subscribe button so that you'll be notified every time a brand new video is uploaded. And we have just uploaded the February Chattanooga Main Monthly event with Russ Heiner. So if you were at that meeting and you may have missed some things, you need not fear any longer. It is right here on our YouTube channel, and we will be recording all of our main monthly events, and after editing them just a touch, we'll be uploading them to the YouTube channel. This Thursday, February 21st at 5:30 p.m., we have the Beginning Investors Group, or BIG as we call it, meeting at Wally's in East Ridge. We will have as our guest William Tingle, who is an expert in the Subject to technique. For those that don't know what Subject to is when a seller hands over the title to the property and leaves the existing financing in its place. Now, I'm not going to go into all the details about that here. That's what William will do on Thursday. William Tingle built a real estate empire around Macon, Georgia back in the early 2000s using almost nothing but Subject to. He retired to Belize in 2010, and he's currently there. And he still buys at least 20 to 25 properties here in the States each year. William, unfortunately, will not be there in the flesh, but we will be able to see and hear him in real time via Skype. He will give you some of the secrets to have a wild success with Subject to. You will be able to ask him questions, and he'll be able to respond right back to you. This Thursday, February 21st, at Wally's Restaurant in East Ridge. It is at 6521 Ringgold Road, just right off of Exit 1. Get there at 5:30 so you can load up on Wally's delicious all-you-can-eat buffet, or you can order right off the menu. April and Kat will be our wait staff, and they take great care of us, so please take great care of them. Now, you can register or RSVP using the links that we have in the video's description box down below. There is no charge to attend this event, but we do ask that you order something from Wally's as they let us use that room for free. Are you tired of waiting for deals to fall in your lap? When you drive neighborhoods, do you know exactly what to look for? And does the thought of going up to sellers' doors make you really nervous? Do you even know what to say? Is that what prevents you from going and knocking on their door? Now, to overcome challenges like these, be sure to join Dustin Griffin and Don DeRosa for the all-day Driving and Door Knocking for Dollars workshop and field trip this Saturday, February 23rd, starting at 7:30 a.m. for breakfast at the Golden Corral in Snellville, Georgia. That is on the east side of Atlanta, and it's located at 3888 Stone Mountain Highway in Snellville. Class starts at 8 a.m. and around 10, you head out into the field. And later in the afternoon, everyone meets back up for a late lunch, and class resumes at Hudson Grill in Sandy Springs on Roswell Road. Register now, as this event will sell out. Prices are the same for Chattanooga REIA members as Atlanta REIA members. Gold, $49, silver, $69, and not yet members, $99. Registration link for that workshop will be in the video description down below. Now, next Wednesday, February 27th, we will have the OnSite Renovation group meeting at 807 Chickamauga Avenue in Rossville, Georgia at 12 noon. If you are interested in learning about property repair and rehabs, this is the group to go to. OnSite is led by Mike Hicks, and this month will be a bit different as we will be visiting a commercial property. This was or still is a pest control office and a used car sales lot. Now, Mike is not sharing a lot of details about this property until Wednesday the 27th, because he has a surprise. And if you want to know more, come visit us Wednesday the 27th at 12 noon, 807 Chickamauga Avenue in Rossville. Once again, RSVP using the links provided below in the description box. On Thursday, March the 7th, for our main monthly event, we have Bill Cook, fresh off his Captains of the Deal cruise, and he will present to us Box, What Box? Making the Impossible Deals Profitable. Bill will be bringing some examples of deals he has done recently that would make the most hardened investor run for the hills. Bill made these deals not only possible, but profitable with creative deal structuring. This will be without a doubt a highly educational evening. When Bill comes to town, all investors that come around get so much information and education, and they carry it with them throughout their investing career. So please do not miss this event. That is Thursday, March the 7th, at the Hilton Garden Inn by Hamilton Place, 2343 Shaliford Village Drive, right off of Exit 5. Doors open at 6:30 p.m. Join us for dinner at the hotel restaurant at 5:30 p.m. Bring your business cards, your deals, your haves, and your wants. It's great networking that you want to be part of. This event is free for Chattanooga REIA members and $15 for not yet members. RSVP using the links in the description box down below. If you would like to join Chattanooga REIA as a member, it is as little as $99 for an entire year. Go to our Chattanooga REIA website at chattanoogareia.com, or you can come to the event and fill out a paper form there and become a member. We would love to have you. That's all the time we have for this video. Links to RSVP and register for our events are in the video description box down below. Once again, for more informative and educational videos for your development as a real estate investor, please subscribe to our channel, and also make sure that you hit the notifications bell so you may be informed of any time a brand new video is uploaded, which is at least once a week. And also, please like and comment on our videos using the comment section in each of our videos. You will definitely get a response. Just ask questions. That is exactly how you learn. And next week, I may be adding a weekly random drawing, but the only way that you can win is if you are a subscriber. So until next time, I'm Alan with Chattanooga REIA. Now go out and talk to some sellers and solve some real estate problems, and I'll see you real soon. Are you tired? I'm tired. This right or this right? Right or right? I'm pointing to the left, but the viewer see it as the right. I don't know. Well, comment. That's all the time we have for this video.